Alright, so after launching Jupyter Notebook on your internet browser, let's start with some coding. So to start with Python coding, what you have to do, first, as soon as you launch Jupyter Notebook, you will be routed to this particular screen, and here you are going to see different options. If you want to browse any specific code which is already saved on your machine, so you have to come to this particular section or area, and you have to browse through the specific folder. From that folder you can directly browse the pre-written code. Like this is the area where I have already written a code. If I want to just use this file, then what I need to do, I just need to select it. As soon as I select it, automatically it will open up, and whatever be the code that I have written, that will be shown in front of you. Another option is, if you want to write altogether a new code, then you have to come to this particular section where you see new. Just click it. As soon as you click it, you will see Python 3. That means a Python notebook or Jupyter notebook will be opened up in Python 3 environment. The moment you click it, you'll see this particular navigation opens up, and this navigation helps us to write different codes. So in Python, if you want to write any code, you have to write it in a new cell on Jupyter Notebook. Now, as we start any programming language, the very first code that everybody like to write is hello world. So let's print hello world, and to print anything on the screen, you just need to use print function, and then in inverted commas you have to write whatever you want to print, hello world. Okay, and now after writing the code, the next thing is you have to run it. Now to run the code, there are two options. One is either you can come to this icon and directly click it like this. As soon as you click it, you will see whatever you have written is getting printed. Another option is again print something. Let's again print hello world. And now instead of come to this particular area again and again and run it, let's avoid it and use some keyword shortcuts. So keyword shortcut to run a specific cell is Control plus Enter. As soon as you press Control plus Enter, automatically the cell will run. So you have to use Control plus Enter from your keyboard. Alright, so this is how the code will run, and every time you run the code, you can see this number is going to increase. That means it is a new code that you are in. You can see it is increasing, right? Alright, so that is how you can print anything on the console or anything on the Jupyter Notebook. Now, if you want to delete a specific cell, so there is an option called cut. You can just click it, automatically the cell will be deleted. Similarly, there will be some instances where you would like to copy and paste the code. So how to copy and paste the code or entire cell? For that, you have this option which says copy selected cell. Okay, just you have to click it, and after clicking it, you have to paste it. So where you want to paste it, so just you need to select the specific cell below or above that you want to paste it, and press this button which says paste cell below, and automatically it will be copied pasted. Also, alright. Also, if you want to rearrange the cells, like you want this above this and this below this, so how to rearrange the cell? By using these buttons, you can change the position of the code or change the position of specific cell. Alright, so this is how you can use Anaconda Navigator and Jupyter Notebook, some very basic things. Alright, now we will go in some numeric operations on it in the next discussion. Thank you.